Hi, this is my presentation of the TinkerCAD simulation for the Hall E transport robot. My name is Jack Alexander, and let's get started. So here we have my TinkerCAD simulation, a lot of different components. So let's just take a second and look back at the original CAD model here. Um, it's a transport little robot, so you can see it has wheels. Going through the components, we have two photoresistor sensors on the front to keep it online with the tape that's going to be on the floor. We have the ultrasonic sensor for distance, see if there's an obstacle in front or something blocking its path. We have the clamps to close down on the bin, keep it in place when it's being transported. And then we have the tilting mechanism to help push it off that top bin area once it gets to its destination. And then on the inside, we have two motors to power the wheels. We have the Arduino Uno in the bottom, be the brain of the operation, and then two servo motors, one for the tilting mechanism and one for the bin area clamps here. So now if we go back to the actual simulation, we have all the components here. We have the ultrasonic distance sensor, 9-volt battery, two motors to power the wheels, two photoresistors to help keep the power in check from, or excuse me, two resistors to keep the photoresistors power in check, excuse me. And then two servo motors, one for the clamps close down and one for the tilting mechanism to come up. And then obviously the L29 ED, which controls all the power outputs and signals back and forth between each component. So then if we look at the code, goes down slowly through it. And then if we actually run the simulation here, we can see both the motors are moving, in fact, and then one will be fully turned for the clamps when they're actually moving, and one was slightly open. And then once it gets to its destination, the clamps will open, and then this one will activate the tilting mechanism here. And that is my presentation of the TinkerCAD simulation. Thank you.